Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and today we're going to be observing the wind with the 22 long rifle. We're going to be shooting the SK rifle match. So basically what I'm going to do, 1 round each target, 20 rounds. I'm going to start from the top left, move to the right, down to the second row, from right to left, and across the bottom 2 rows. Let's get to this. For this video, I'm going to be using the Kimber 82G, and I'm going to be shooting it at 50 yards. Now, I forgot to turn on the camera that had on the wind flag, but if you watch, you can see the trees in the background. I do have video of the wind flag. It's about halfway through, so if you want to, go ahead and fast forward through. As you can see, shooting a group, the wind has a little effect on that. But now what we're going to do is we're going to start running our 20 round strip. And we're not going to compensate for the wind. We're just going to hold point of aim at the bullseye. I'm going to fast forward through this section just because I forgot to turn on the other camera that was focused on the wind flag. So if you want to, just go ahead and go through. When I get down to the second line, the last target, that's when I pop on the, remember to turn on the camera for the wind flag. Now, when it comes to accurately shooting rimfire rifles or any rimfire that matter at any distance, the wind is a major factor. So not only does your rifle ammunition, but the wind plays a huge factor in the accuracy and your ability to shoot at any distance with a rimfire. So here in a little bit, you'll see another little screen pop up just above the target, and that is going to show the wind flag and the wind conditions. Most of the time right now, what I do is I just base it off feel. So now that I have the wind flag in view, what I did is I actually slowed it down a little bit. That way you could see the direction of the wind flag in the wind and how it impacted the target. I only did this for a few rounds.
Hey buddy, I just want about the strip is ready to look at. Yeah.
Take note of the next 6 shots. This is more than likely the wind condition that the scope was sighted in for. Now for the rest of the video, everything's going to be in real time. I'm not going to slow it down. I'm not going to speed it up, just so you can see the actual conditions and how quickly they can change.
You know what? That might not be right next to me, Mike. Might be too modern. You know what it is? I remember this. You gotta push. On the fire. You got all the way. Try it.
Alright, we're gonna go up to the middle because I forgot to hit record on the top row. We're gonna go up to middle and shoot the center line. Now I am going to be doing
Did it
more
fire,
with the
Mike?
wind, so make sure you guys stay
Did it
tuned.
fire?
I'll catch you all at the range.
Thing